Nearly 2 years after former President Trump's supporters stormed the U.S. Capitol, the House committee investigating the attack made an historic call for accountability, referring Mr. Trump to the Department of Justice for criminal prosecution.
We've never had a president of the United States stir up a violent attempt to block the transfer of power.
This was an utter moral failure and a clear dereliction of duty.
Committee members urging DOJ to consider 4 criminal charges: obstruction of an official proceeding, conspiracy to defraud the United States, conspiracy to make a false statement, and inciting or assisting an insurrection.
If the Justice Department concurs with that assessment and with the evidence, then he should be prosecuted like any other American.
The January 6 panel also unveiling new evidence, including a recent interview with Trump's longtime aide, Hope Hicks.
He said something along the lines of, nobody will care about my legacy if I lose. So that won't matter. The only thing that matters is winning.
Former President Trump, who already announced plans to run for president again in 2024, slamming the committee during a radio interview.
We have all Democrats and Republicans in very poor standing, 2 of them. I mean, the whole thing. It's a kangaroo court. What can I say?
And further blasting the panel's work on social media, calling it a partisan attempt to sideline him and the Republican Party. And the committee also released a 154-page summary of its findings and plans to release a full report on Wednesday, which will include legislative recommendations. Dave?
Now, Bree, you just mentioned that full January 6th report comes out tomorrow, but there is criticism on what was left out of it. What more can you tell us about that?
Yeah, the information that was released on Monday did not include any questions about why the FBI, Capitol Police, and other law enforcement agencies did not ramp up security around the Capitol despite intelligence that there was the potential of violence. So that's a criticism that we're hearing from the committee's report so far.
Okay, Bree Jackson live in Washington with the latest. Thank you.